10 fat-burning, natural foods. Burn fat foods. Do you know that there are foods that can help you burn fat naturally when you eat them regularly? In this video, we will share with you 10 foods that you can make part of your regular diet to aid your weight loss goals. When you're looking to burn fat, foods are probably not the first thing you think about, but rather physical activities and exercise. While diets do a lot to help you lose weight, it is exercise that's typically associated with burning fat. But recent studies have shown that certain foods can boost your metabolism and help you get rid of fat, even without increasing your energy expenditure. Luckily, many of them are common and easy to incorporate into your daily diet. Here are 10 fat-burning natural foods that will help you burn fat. 1. Chili peppers. In 2013, the European Journal of Nutrition published a study concerning the effects of chili peppers on thermogenesis, which leads to fat loss over time. The results showed that the capsaicin in the peppers increases diet-induced thermogenesis by more than 50%. Consequently, that results in weight loss and prevention of fat gain. 2. Grapefruit. In a 2011 study published by Nutrition and Metabolism, researchers found that adding grapefruit or grapefruit juice to your diet can help you burn fat. Among the participants who consumed grapefruit or its juice, fat loss was observed mostly around the trunk, hips, and thighs. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is filled with conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a fatty acid that is now commonly used in natural fat-burning supplements. While there's plenty of anecdotal evidence that proves the effectiveness of CLAs, there are also science-backed studies and study analyses. In the study published by Nutrition in 2012, researchers observed that 12-week CLA supplementation significantly lowered obesity markers in its subjects. 4. Sauerkraut. Like other fermented foods, consuming sauerkraut can bring significant benefits to digestive health. According to an article published by Harvard Health Publishing, it contains beneficial microorganisms and bacteria, which improve not only gut health, but several inflammatory disorders in the body. Consequently, it increases the body's fat-burning capability. 5. Vinegar. Vinegar has long been recognized for its many benefits for weight loss, but an animal study conducted by researchers from Japan's Okayama Prefectural University has also proven vinegar's ability to combat obesity and improve glucose tolerance. As a result, those who consume vinegar regularly are better able to manage their body fat percentage and blood sugar levels. 6. Avocados. According to a study published by the Nutrition Journal in 2013, Americans who regularly eat avocados have more optimal body weight, waist sizes, and BMIs. Additionally, those who don't eat avocados are 50% more at risk for metabolic syndrome. 7. Bananas. Bananas are a relatively low-calorie fruit that is rich in dietary fibers, which are essential to weight loss. Additionally, according to a study published by Nutrients in 2013, the fiber content of foods like bananas help improve gut health and digestion. It also has natural laxative effects and minimizes bloating. 8. Berries. Berries aren't only filled with antioxidants, but also fiber that can help increase satiety and cause you to consume fewer calories overall. And some berries have also been proven to boost your metabolism and improve your fat-burning potential. A study led by researchers from the University of Michigan showed that eating blueberries can lead to fat loss and lower risk of diabetes. 9. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a good, natural source of essential fatty acids. Several studies have shown that fish oil supplementation has positive effects on fat loss. In particular, the study published by the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition in 2010 showed that fish oil doesn't just boost your metabolism and reduce body weight. It also lowers cortisol, which is a hormone linked with the storage of fat. 10. Walnuts. According to a study published by Diabetes, Obesity, and Metabolism in 2018, eating walnuts effectively suppresses appetite. Additionally, a study led by researchers from the Harvard School of Public Health showed that regular consumption of nuts could help burn fat and lower your risk for obesity. By simply including more of this science-backed fat-burning natural foods into your daily diet, you increase your potential to lose weight and get rid of excess fat you've always been frustrated with. Consuming these while following a proper diet and regular exercise regimen will give you even faster, more long-lasting results. Here are the study references. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.